Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. I'm using only the stillness, calmness, quietness are the attributes you can say in the beginning. Later on, we will drop this idea also. That they are the attributes of the consciousness, nothing to do with the three bodies in the five sheet. The more and more you recognize every day, and you start thinking, speaking, and working in that state, you will see the life will change. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Bring your awareness on the right hand, your awareness on the left hand. Lift your both the palms, place it on your eyes. Open the eyes inside. Know your experiences and bring the hands down. Stephen, how are you?
I'm good, very good. A very great experience. Just a very deep, dark space of complete nothingness. There was
Complete
nothing.
nothing.
Yeah, there was
Beautiful.
no physical attachments, no mental attachments, no emotional attachments. It was great.
Beautiful. How are you, David and Jerry?
Excuse me, similar to Stephen's, it was dark, simple. My awareness was around your voice and my breathing. The one interesting thing during the nyasas, when you were having us focus on the space around the limbs, it was there was this warmth I could feel doing that. But no, it was very deep, dark.
Very deep. Yeah, when we feel the warmth and sometimes we feel the extreme tingling and the numbness, they all are a good experience. Beautiful. How are you, Jerry?
Sir, I'm good. Thank you. From the moment we closed the eyes, I was settled in that space and I heard what you were saying, but I was just in that the space didn't change at all for me.
That's very good and very beautiful because the mind is not challenging you. You have challenged the mind and you settled into that state. Beautiful. How are you, Brandy?
Good morning. Thank you. I'm fine. I'm pretty similar to everyone who's shared out so far. My meditation was really focused and dark and peaceful. I kind of like David, when you went around the limbs with Nyasa, I felt cold. I didn't feel warm. Yeah. But
That's beautiful. How are you, Rakesh?
Thank you, sir. During the Nyasa, the body, limbs, everything was very still inside the body. The stillness was there. And later on, the stillness increased so much, I was thinking, how will I move my body when I need to?
Yeah, that too is a deeper
And
experience.
and I felt myself at the end uh, quite deep, nothing there.
Right. Yeah, that's good. Beautiful. That's a deeper experience. So how are you, Sam?
It was a really beautiful experience. Very peaceful.
Very peaceful. Anesthesia.
Thank you very much. I was just surrounded by colors today, a lot of yellow and yellow green, and I felt warm, and I was just I was guided by your voice, concentrated, so very deep. I might have had some thoughts, I think so, but I didn't pay attention.
Yeah. Yeah. So that's what I explained. The state of the quietness is a state of awareness where the thoughts are there, but I'm not getting carried away by these thoughts. I'm a human being. I'm aware, self-conscious being. So if thoughts are there, it has to be there. But I'm not at all attached. Oh, there are many words that we use in this journey. So, how are you, Samir?
Sir, body became totally stiff. Totally stiff. It was totally unmovable and totally stiff, and it was a very deep experience.
Very deep experience. You see, that is why the teacher is required. When we undergo through unusual experiences, the mind gives a wrong interpretation. There may be a stiffness, or as you all explained, and also anesthesia said there is a yellow color outside. So there is always a chance to fall into kind of imagination and hallucinations. To avoid that, we follow with a clarity and understanding as suggested, as guided, as taught by our teachers. How are you, Vaibhav? So we have left, yes.
I said it was deep, it was calm and quiet, very peaceful.
Very peaceful, beautiful. How are you, Ashok?
Sir, namaste. It is very peaceful and calm.
Very peaceful and calm. I heard you. And how are you, Lalit?
Yes, sir. I felt great and really great experience, sir.
Great experience. Oh, you are with me. That's why you have a great experience. You should think of that. If you are not with me, then I cannot promise. Just kidding. So that is all for today. We'll meet again. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Namaste. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.